SharePoint solutions for manufacturing. In the dynamic landscape of the manufacturing industry, staying competitive is not just a goal, it is a necessity. With innovative SharePoint solutions from Evolvous, you can radically transform your manufacturing operations, enhancing efficiency and delivering better results. Evolvous is a Microsoft-certified SharePoint consultant, and we understand the unique challenges of the manufacturing sector. Manufacturing businesses need seamless access to plans, reports, and other documents, and having a SharePoint environment can facilitate that information exchange. Advantages of using SharePoint for manufacturing. Here are some of the ways our SharePoint solutions can impact your manufacturing operations. Centralized collaboration. With SharePoint, you can build a centralized hub for collaboration, allowing for better communication among production, logistics, inventory, finance, and sales teams. Document management. Say goodbye to the hassles of managing your documents. Thanks to features like version control and access permissions, you can ensure accountability and track progress effectively. Workflow automation. Transform your manual workflows with the power of automation. From procurement to production planning, you can streamline workflows, reducing bottlenecks and accelerating time to market. Manufacturing KPIs you can improve with our SharePoint. Higher production efficiency. Efficient inventory management. Better quality control. Lead time reduction. Lower equipment downtime. Why choose Evolvous? Here at Evolvous, we offer customized SharePoint solutions that are tailored to address the specific challenges of the manufacturing industry. Here are some of the advantages that you get. Quick implementation. Customized solutions. Expertise in industry best practices. Complete data security. Training and support. High scalability and flexibility. Our success stories. Here are some of the leading manufacturing companies we have helped with our SharePoint solutions. Empower growth in your manufacturing business with custom SharePoint. Contact Evolvous today.